So here's how to change font color in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple, so let's get started, guys. First of all, you need to select the text that you want to change the color. So let's just select the text like this. And now from the upper side, you will see this little icon. So this is the font color icon. So you need to tap on the little arrow, and then from here you can see there are lots of bunch of different colors right over here. So you can simply go and select any of the color. But if this doesn't satisfy you, then you can simply tap on the more color options. All right, so a dialog box will appear like this, and then from here you can select the color you want, which is like a hexagon. Over here you can drag from left to right to find out the color. If you have the hexa color code, then you can simply paste right over here to find out the color. All right, then simply, if you are okay with the color, then you can simply tap on the OK, and the color will be changed like this. All right, so again, if you select that and change the color, you can also add a gradient like this. So if you need a gradient, then you can go with this gradient option, and there will be variety of the gradients. So if we select that one, as you can see, this gradient look like this, and also you can change the color of the gradient. All right, so that's how you can change font color in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.